Adding an EBT card to the Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To add an EBT card to the Cash App, use a linked debit card. If your EBT card is linked to a debit card, you might be able to use it for Cash App transactions. Now check if your specific EBT program allows debit card withdrawals or purchase. And then link that debit card to your Cash App account. Then cash out your EBT benefits depending on your EBT program's regulations. You might be able to withdraw cash from your benefits at authorized ATM locations. Once you have the cash, you could deposit it into a linked bank account and then use Cash App to transfer funds from that account. Now utilize alternative Cash App features. While you cannot directly use your EBT card, Cash App offers other features you might find helpful. Then, send and receive money. You can use Cash App to send and receive money from friends and family, potentially helping with budgeting and managing shared expenses. You can invest in stocks and Bitcoin. Cash App allows you to invest in fractional shares of stocks and Bitcoin, potentially providing a way to grow your finances outside of your EBT benefits. And receive direct deposits. If you have income deposited directly into a linked bank account, you can use the Cash App to access those funds and manage your overall financial picture.